Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best running shoes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Salomon Men's Speedcross Running Shoes. Salomon Speedcross shoes are great for running on soft trails. The upper body is made of 100% synthetic fabric with Salomon's Sensi Fit and Quickless design that cradles the foot and provides a snug fit. The fabric is also breathable and keeps the feet well ventilated when running for long distances on the trail. It has soft cleats on the undersurface that provide optimal grip on uneven surfaces. While the shoes can get slippery on wet concrete, the cleats can penetrate soft ground and will help you traverse mud, wet grass, gravel, sand, almost any kind of rugged terrain. The sizing chart is quite accurate, so there's a high chance you won't go wrong if you stick to your usual shoe size. Moving on at number 4, we have Puma Tazen 6FM Running Shoe. The Puma Tazen 6FM is picked for the overall best running shoe because of its combination of comfort and usability. For the price, these shoes are an absolute bargain as well. Available in both men's and women's sizes, the Puma Tazen 6FM running shoe is exceptionally comfortable. For people with flat feet, the minimal arch support allows comfortable wear even on the longest of runs, and if needed, an added insole can work well for extra support. Puma is known for its shoes running true to their size, so there is no extra hassle when finding the right fit. As with most Puma shoes, these shoes can be slipped on and off without needing to unlace them for daily use. For most feet, the Puma Tazen 6FM is a great overall running shoe. At number 3, we have CAMVA VSR Men's Running Shoes. CAMVA VSR men's shoes are a great pair to have whether you want fashionable walking shoes or comfortable and reliable running shoes. You really get a well-engineered shoe with a structure that will help you exert more power with every stride at quite a budget-friendly price. The upper body is made of synthetic mesh and breathable fabric for a lightweight design and increased ventilation to your feet. While the anti-slip rubber sole isn't as stable as we would like on a running shoe, it does provide optimal stability and traction even on wet surfaces. What's more, the manufacturer trades in the typical tongue-in shoe design with laces on the fabric so that the shoes can slip on or off easily. At number 2, we have ASICS Women's Gel Kahana 8 Trail Runner. While most running shoes work well on a track, a specialized cross-country running shoe is best if you want to explore while going out for a run. For the best women's cross-country running shoe, we found the ASICS Gel Kahana 8 Trail Runner to outperform the competition. ASICS Women's Gel Kahana 8 Trail Runner shoe combines the thick reversed lugs of a hiking shoe with the lightweight design of a running shoe to create the perfect combination. We recommend purchasing between a half size to a full size up because these shoes run a bit small. Once that sizing is accounted for, the ASICS Gel Kahana is a tremendously comfortable shoe. The gel rear cushion and foam midsole provide ample support for any number of surfaces. If you want to run cross-country, this shoe cannot be beaten by any of its competition. And finally at number 1, Saucony Men's Excursion TR12 Sneaker. We have found that the Saucony Men's Excursion TR12 sneaker to be the best men's cross-country running shoe on the market. This is because of Saucony's attention to detail when developing this shoe. They didn't simply toss a big clunky sole onto a normal running shoe, rather they have developed a sole that keeps weight to a minimum while providing the support you need for cross-country running. The shock support and cushioning that Saucony has developed for the Excursion TR12 allows comfortable uphill and downhill running. The sole is also exceptionally durable for running across any number of surfaces. Meanwhile, the knit of this shoe utilizes a liner that helps keep moisture out while keeping your foot comfortably in place. Saucony has knocked it out of the park with the Excursion TR12 cross-country running shoe. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.